Welcome back to Uncrated Crowd, where every week I unbox a new item that came to life via crowdfunding. However, this week, this product failed to be crowdfunded, and yet it's still sitting here in front of me. Why, you ask? Well, actually kind of funny story. My daughter got this for Christmas from my in-laws, and I saw it and I was like, I bet that was a Kickstarter. And you know what? Went online, Tiggly. Failed Kickstarter. So kind of funny how it came into my hands, but this has actually already been opened. My kids have been playing with it. They love it. So this company, Tiggly, they actually had a Kickstarter campaign, but it failed, and so they instead just went straight to market with it and found success going that route. So very simply, these are toys that interact with tablets. So whether it be an iPad or a leading Android tablet device, these interact with specific apps that Tiggly has put into the App Store or the Google Play Store. So let's just go ahead and open these up. Like I said, my kids have already been playing with these. In here, it kind of walks through the different apps that you have access to that these particular toys work with. There's no batteries, no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, no anything necessary. It's literally just these little toys. And here's a little chart that kind of walks through the ages of the kids and what different skills they will be learning while playing with these toys and the interactive apps. So you open it up, and wha-bam, wha-bam. There's instructions on here on how to download the app. So these are the toys themselves. I don't know the exact inner workings of these. I don't know if it's literally just these pressure points here. I wasn't able to find any specifics on that portion of it. Well, I guess we're not gonna use the square because I just lost it and I don't know where it went. How the heck did it get all the way over there? Yep, I'm not getting that. Sorry guys, you're not gonna see the square. In this case, there are 3 different apps: the Tiggly Safari, Tiggly Draw, and Stamp. So I don't know if I'm gonna walk through all of them. I have not really played with these at all. Like I said, my daughters love this. They've played with it pretty much every day since they got it at Christmas. So there's a circle. Ooh, I did the circle, you see that? I know my shapes. Let me make this go a little faster. Dang, this is so slow. Oh, and it wants the square. I don't have the square. But see, I can go ahead and make all these different shapes. And the longer I hold it, maybe not. I thought it was based on the length of time I held it for the different size it would be. Obviously, these are all shapes. As seen on here, they have the shapes, the counting, and the letters. Like I said, because my children love this so much, my wife has been thinking about getting the math and the words one. However, these things are expensive. For the set of shapes, 4 shapes, and the included apps. I'm pretty sure the apps are free for download anywhere. You don't need to have the shapes. Are you ready for this? The retail price of the Tiggly shapes, the Tiggly math, and I didn't see the Tiggly words online, but I would assume that if they are available, they're the same price, $29.95. So 30 bucks for a set of 4 shapes. I don't know about you, but to me that's like mind-blowing. But I mean, once you start thinking about it, 30 bucks, that covers not only the manufacturing of this, but the apps, app development, which is really their primary focus, is the apps themselves. My wife and I are kind of like uneasy, should we spend that much for these things? But my kids love them so much, I think we probably will, in the end, go ahead and get them, just because it's learning, it's good for the kids. Provide a good, fun learning environment for our kids, so they love to learn. So I think we probably will. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you're new, and let me know in the comments down below what other types of products you want to see, because I'm going to start getting some more. I'm basically on the tail end of all the products that I had previously ordered, so now I'm going to be basically putting out for a whole new batch of stuff. So let me know, what type of products do you want to see, and I'll be sure to get some that fall into that category specifically for you. And with that, we will see your beautiful faces next week.